Yeah, let me record this first. Okay, so we're recorded. We'll be talking about dual asset. So I'm in the funding account and we have $100 to play with. So we're going to click on earn. And when we click earn, there will be we're going to Bybit earn. This is Bybit anyway. If you are not subscribed yet or if you don't have Bybit account, you can make use of my referral as usual, and that will make me a lot better. That will make me feel a lot better. Okay, we're now in the Bybit Earn, and we're going to talk about dual asset, which is very exciting. 527%. Okay, so and if we click on dual asset, it will go directly to dual asset. Okay, that's what we're going to talk about, right? Dual asset. And with since my coin is USDT, I can dual asset with any of this. As you can see, it's a pair, and the second item in the pair is the USDT. And there is actually two choices. Let's before we go down, let me just go back to the current that's current value of BTC versus USDT, right? So currently, Bitcoin is going down. So what I'm going to do is buy Bitcoin. Okay? It's now 99. A while ago it was 98. Right. Anyway, but Bitcoin is going down. So I'm going to invest my BTC, my USDT to BTC. So I'm going to click on this and I'm gonna click. There's BIP and BIP only. So we're going down to not BIP only. Okay. It says it's 1,180%. So we're gonna buy it now. And my God, what happened? Let me just log in. Okay, let me just log in. So, ah, what's wrong with you? I was on another. Okay, let me just for a second. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Or yeah, it's me. Hang on a second. Yeah, and then just a second for a while. 098. Yeah. Okay, we're in. Okay, so it says 1,180%. So your Bitcoin is going to 1,180%. My God, that's a lot of money, right? So let's just click buy now. Again, I'm buying Bitcoin. And that's 1,180 is not actually the total percent. It's the APR, which means the annual, annual interest. So you have to divide that by 365, but still that's a lot of money. And I'm gonna buy that with 100 USDT. So I'm gonna buy my asset at 99, which is that's going down. So if I'm able to buy that, I'm gonna get an extra 326 BTC on top of that's the yield that on top of what I'm going to buy, right? So I'm gonna buy this and I'm gonna have this shield. If if that deal did not happen, or if it won't happen, I'm gonna get back my USDT. I'm investing how much? 100. I'm gonna get $3 instead. So either way, we win. If we make the deal, I'm gonna make the deal at a lot lower price than what currently Bitcoin is right now, but that is surely going to be hit because Bitcoin is going down. So the and yeah, I'm anyway interested. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin, whatever, but I'm going to buy it at a much lower price, and then I'm gonna get the yield of 1,180 APR. So let's just click OK, and then click order now. Try again, okay. Max. So it's moving down anyway. So let's just click order now. So yeah, order now. Okay. So it's still going down. So what the what on earth? It's not my lucky day today. Okay, you will not be able to cancel that order once you place it. I think we placed the order, right? We'll just reload this thing, entire thing. It has been updated the price, so yeah, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin at a much lower price. I'm gonna have an 1,000% increase. Okay, there you go. That's the same, right? What happened? Okay, uh, it's moving. The interest rate's moving. The max. Order now. Yes, view orders. And then your order is going to go. You cannot cancel that anymore once it's there. And your asset is going to go to earn, and you cannot do anything about it right there. So you cannot cancel that. Um, and it says there that this deal is for 98. The price is 99 right now. And if that deal is made, we're gonna buy this. We're gonna have a 1,000% increase. Eh, that's APR, so you divide it by 365. That's the percent that you get, which is around 3%. And if that's the estimated proceed if that deal went off, or if it's we're not able to buy at much lower price, so you get extra $1 around. And uh, and we're gonna get, if we made the deal, we're gonna make 1,000% in BTC APR, which is high, right? And there's just two way on this dual asset. You can either buy low. Okay, what we're doing is buy low, and the other side of the coin is sell high, which we're going to sell in a much higher price, which is the same story. You're able to make the deal, you gonna get this. So instead of just buying, use your dual asset, and that gives you, instead of paying you know, the exchange bill, you get additional, and yeah, additional money, and then you're buying the asset at a much lower price. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, just a recap. If you do the dual asset, there's actually two ways you're going to do it. It's You have to first choose the asset. It's either you're going to use that asset or use that coin to buy other coin, and that way your transaction is buy low at a much lower price than it's currently offered by the exchange, with additional payment. That's a guarantee that you're going to buy this crypto at a much lower price, and buy the asset. So you buy the asset at much lower price, and then you earn some interest. But if the let's say Bitcoin does not go down to 98 and instead it goes up, you still get your $100 with 1,170 APR divided by 365. That makes the daily interest, and you get an extra $1. Okay, very clear. That's buy low. Now, if you're able to buy Bitcoin, so you first choose Bitcoin. Let's do the sell high, okay? Just just to make you happy. What asset do I have for this account? Yeah, I'm poor. Just $100. So send me Bitcoin. I'll give you the link. So here's the funding. Here in the funding. So if I choose this Solana and I'm gonna click earn, let's earn. And yeah, if you're interested, I can do a tutorial on you personally. I'm gonna tell you how to get more. Let's make lots of money. Okay, we're talking about dual assets. So this time I'm gonna sell high, right? I'm gonna buy now, and it says 539%. So there's actually two options. It's either you buy low or you sell high. Now, as you can see, it's just Solana, and then you can sell high. It's still Solana and USDT because there's no other coins in partner with Solana. I think that's BTC. Yeah, this one. So we're gonna sell high. So if we sell that Solana, we can sell that. Uh, so we're gonna sell. No, that's Solana, right? No, wrong asset, wrong asset. So it's gonna be this Solana, and we're gonna sell high. Click on sell high, and then buy now. And that is supposed to be Solana, and then okay, we'll click that. It says that's the minimum that we need to sell. Okay, so and that's going to give us 0.268 USDT yield. So we're setting a much higher price than what's currently in the market, and then we get the extra 0.268 US dollar if we don't make the sell. Yeah, that's because we get USDT. But now if we made the sell, we get USDT because we sold it. The you know, and if we sell that, we get USDT plus some APR, and then yeah, that's the percent yield. If the deal that didn't make it, or yeah, we still retain our Solana, but we gain this much interest. Okay, that's clear. I hope I make myself clear. Is that clear to me? Yeah, that's how dual asset works. So you're selling lower than you're selling much higher than what is the current price of the market, plus an interest, and either you're selling very high, or you're very high than the current market, or you're buying at a much lower price in the market. And this is just for one day. After one day, you have 2,000% interest APR. My God, that's a lot of money. No. Okay, so if you want to learn more about Bitcoin, you can contact me on my address, and I can teach you how to do it. And then if you want to have a personal tutorial with me, or if you can donate a lot of Bitcoin to me, that works as well. And please feel free to subscribe, or like, or follow my Facebook page, or you better off you click on that link above. That's my referral page. I get a lot of money when you do that. So click on that referral page, and I give you some percent of my gain. No, joke, that's a joke. Just just subscribe to my referral, and yeah, let's make a lot of money. And that's all for now. That's dual asset. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. So that you'll become richer. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you again on more episode on crypto. Thank you. Let's make lots of money.